Determine the molecular formula of a compound that has a molar mass of 183.18 grams per mole and an empirical formula of C2H5O2. So to solve this problem, first we need to get the ratio between the molar mass and the empirical formula mass. So in the problem, we are already given the molar mass, which is 183.18 grams per mole. So we need to solve first the empirical formula mass. So empirical formula mass is the formula weight of the empirical formula. So in our problem, okay, so let's calculate for the empirical formula mass. So in our problem, the empirical formula is C2H5O2. So there are 2 carbons, 5 hydrogens, and 2 oxygens. So for carbon, that's 2 times. If you look at your periodic table, the molar mass of carbon is 12.01 grams per mole. So 2 times 12.01, that's 24.02 grams per mole. For hydrogen, so we have 5 times the molar mass of hydrogen is 1.008 grams per mole. And that is equal to 5.04 grams per mole. And for oxygen, that's 2 times 16 grams per mole. So that's 32 grams per mole. So if you get the total, the empirical formula mass is 61.06 grams per mole. So you plug that into the equation. So 61.06 grams per mole. So if you solve the ratio, 183.18 divided by 61.06, the ratio is equal to 3. So what are we going to do with that ratio? So you will multiply the ratio to all of the subscripts in the empirical formula. So again, our empirical formula is C2H5O2. So you multiply everything by 3. So all subscripts. So the molecular formula will become C, 2 times 3 is 6. H, 5 times 3 is 15. And for O, 2 times 3 is 6. So the molecular formula is C6H15O6, and this is the answer to the question.